And welcome back to our next digital awareness module. Here we'll study mobility along with its practical applications in a real-life scenario. So, let us begin to learn mobility through a very interesting conversation between Aditya and Shreya.
The conference was amazing. The knowledge I gained from the Internet of Things, cloud, big data and social media is incredible.
Yes, technology is phenomenal.
I am feeling hungry now.
Me too, but don't worry. Let's order something to eat from the Foodie app.
Wow, you mean you'll order it online and they'll deliver it at our destination? That means even I can deliver my products at customers' doorsteps.
Definitely. This is an offering of mobility to the mankind. I have booked this cab through an online cab booking application.
Mobility? What is that? I am curious to know.
Before that, imagine you don't have a mobile phone, but a landline phone. What do you think will happen?
I will become slow in finding out information and I will not be connected to the world once I am out of office or home.
That's where the term mobility comes in, which is also our next milestone in this journey. Mobility is a concept which ensures accessing services from different locations with the use of enabled platforms without any geographical boundaries. Devices which allow the access to services from different locations are called enabled platforms. For example, mobile phones, tablets, wearables like a smartwatch, etc.
Is online shopping an example of mobility too?
Absolutely. We can understand mobility by observing the things we do with our smartphones or mobiles. Through it, we can talk to anybody, anytime and from anywhere. There is no dependency on any landline device. We are also connected with our relatives, friends and colleagues on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. round the clock on our mobile. No need to use PC anymore to use these platforms. Mobile banking has made it easier to do banking transactions even when we are miles away from our bank. Nowadays, we do shopping, bill payments, online recharge, etc. through our mobile. Thus, such conventional brick-mortar transactions can also be done from anywhere, anytime. Earlier, to watch movies, we either had to go to movie theaters or sit in front of TVs. But now, we can watch movies anytime, anywhere on our mobiles.
Right. We also do so many other things on mobile like listening to songs, playing games, reading books, etc. All these activities earlier had to be performed at fixed places and many on fixed timings as well. Mobile has changed the world completely.
Thanks, sir. Yes, Aditya. Devices like mobiles, tablets, etc. have enabled mobility, which simply means we can do tasks or access services from anywhere. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. How may I help you? Hello. I have made my booking from trippy.com. Could you please check it? Sure. Your names? Shreya and Aditya. Okay, ma'am. Give me 2 minutes. Yes, ma'am. Just wait for some time in the waiting area. We'll get your rooms ready. Okay, thanks. Did you see how mobility eased our access to the service of hotel booking from anywhere in the world at any point in time?
Yes. Mobility is a blessing to us. How does it benefit the companies?
Hold on. I'll take your example, but first let's have a quick knowledge check. Talking about the benefits of mobility to the industry. The biggest benefit mobility provides to the company is that it allows decision makers to get the necessary information, no matter where they are. The information can be some data, report, or anything. With mobility, the necessary information can be made available to concerned party anywhere, anytime. So, employees can make better informed decisions. Not only this, various transaction requests and approval processes can be configured to be done through mobile. This enables a person to perform such transactions on the go. This makes sure that no task gets stuck because of a person's physical unavailability in the office. Thus, productivity is improved. An employee can respond to any query or mail instantly from anywhere, whether the query or mail has come from a customer, superior, colleague, or subordinate. Everybody is connected and thus available all the time. Even contracts can now be signed on the move with the help of digital signatures.
So, what is the technology behind mobility?
As we learned in the cloud module, we can access information hosted on the cloud anytime and anywhere on our mobile devices by using the internet. To explain this further, cloud is like creating a virtual version rather than an actual version of something, such as a server, a desktop, a storage device, an operating system, or network resources. This enables in transforming traditional, static, office-based desktops into fully activated, flexible workspaces that are accessible anywhere and anytime. It modernizes IT applications by making them available from a centralized server, so that they can be delivered to mobile devices as a managed service.
Like everything, this might also have some challenges.
Yes, like you know that the mobile devices are able to collect information, store and then share with others because of the availability of internet. So, the biggest challenge is network availability to support mobility devices. And then comes the issue of security and privacy. Mobile devices can sometimes be a burden on your pocket. Besides cost, they also require high-end user skills to operate. Other factors that need consideration while using mobile devices is enterprise infrastructure that enables linkages of devices and current work practices that generate the need for process re-engineering.
These are indeed some challenges. But if these are taken care of, mobility is so useful for everybody.
Right. Everyone gets benefited a lot by embracing mobility.
I'd also like to share my personal experience here. You know, I'm a regular customer of Live Long Hospital. Every time any one of my family or I fall ill, we go there. Earlier, for booking an appointment, I used to go to their reception counter personally. A customer care number was also available, but it could not give much information about availability of doctors. Now, they have got a mobile app named Live Long. I have downloaded it on my mobile, and you'll not believe how easy the life is now. You can see the entire schedule of each doctor and their availability. You can do the booking online as per this information from anywhere, anytime.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, and there is more to it. In the same application, I can see the records of my earlier visits, what was the diagnosis and the medicines prescribed. In fact, if you get your various tests done from the same hospital, you can get the reports on that application. All this information is also available for your family members on your mobile application.
Yes, that's the power of mobility. By investing in mobility solution, the hospital authority has made it easier for their customers to interact with them. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also results in brand building and getting new and loyal customers.
I see that, but I have a very specific doubt.
Yes, tell me.
I noticed my friend scanning a QR code from his mobile and sending money to someone. How can mobile scan QR code? My mobile did not do it when I tried the same.
Your friend must be using an application like Paytm, which scans QR code to get account details. You can also install such kinds of applications and use your mobile as QR code scanner. Your mobile can also become a barcode scanner by installing necessary application.
It is possible because of the camera available in the smartphones, right?
Yes, these are basically the extension of the camera as hardware for other purposes, like a QR code or barcode scanner. In fact, the camera in smartphone has also made many services available on mobiles.
Like
Claiming insurance. You must be knowing that if you want to claim insurance in case your vehicle gets damaged, then it must be inspected by a representative of the insurance company.
Yes, and it is a very time-taking and painful process. You will have to fill an application, then a person will come to see the extent of damage. He'll then file a report to his company. Based on the report, your claim will get approved or rejected. In my uncle's case, we had to visit the company's office many times to know the status.
Yes, but now many insurance companies have brought mobile applications. You can file your claim on it and upload the pictures of the damaged vehicle immediately using your camera. All the transactions and approvals happen on the mobile application, and your money will automatically come to your bank account if your application is approved. You will get information at every stage on this application.
Wow, that's brilliant. Government should also learn from such cases to improve the delivery of various services to its citizens.
Government has already initiated the process. Indian government has in recent years launched so many applications to provide information, get feedback or deliver different kinds of services to its citizens. For example, like insurance companies, government has also given farmers to upload the pictures of their crop damage through an application to get their coverage money under a scheme on crop insurance. Similarly, there are applications through which you can log complaints on any issue and continuously see what actions are being taken on your complaint.
Oh, I was not aware of this. This is such a great fact to hear.
Yes, my friend, that's the magic of mobility, which helps everybody, whether an individual, a company, or a government. There is something for all through mobility.